Hello my friends, in today's video we are going to solve the New York Times Sudoku, the hard version, on the phone. And like I did last time, I will just screenshot the puzzle and open it in Sudoku Coach. Import from image, select photo, my files. I have S24 Ultra. Okay, I will also add the notes to make the process easier, and let's begin. First, I will inspect visual to see if we have something that we can fill. Okie dokie. I don't see anything. Yes, I see a naked pair in here. So it's a 1, 2, 1, 2, so I can eliminate 1, 2 from that square that it's highlighted, and we are left with a 4. Take the 1, 2 from here, we are left with a 7. 1, 2 from here, we are left with 9. Okie dokie. It's first time when I'm here, when I'm doing a screen recording. In the highlighted square in the block 1 we have a 6. What else we can see without checking the notes? 4, 5, 8, 6, 1, 3, 5, 8, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 8, 1, 8. So 1, 3, 5, 8, it's a quadruple. Here we have 1, 4, 3, 5, 8. If we take out 1, 3, 5, 8, we are left with a 4, and we fill it. Okay, that's a naked quadruple that we had. Here we have a naked pair, 2, 8, 2, 8. So in this block we can eliminate all the 2 and 8s. 2, 8, 2, 8, 2, 2, 2. And now we have 2, 8, 2, 8. I eliminated everything. 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, let's go on with the notes. Number 1, I don't see any pattern or something else. Number 2, we have on this column a single number 2, so we fill it. It's a hidden single. That's a 2, this is a 1, and this is also a 5. Okay, what else we can see visually? 1, 2, 8. 2, 8, 4, 2, 4, 5. Okay, I'll put back the notes because I want it to be short. Look, we have a hidden 1. I fill it, and now I have a single 6, and now I have this pair 7, 3. So we can eliminate all the 7 and 3 on this row, but we have a 3 in here, a 3 in here, no other 7, so it's not too much help. We have a single 8 here, we fill it, a 2, a 9, an 8, a 2, a 5, a 1, 2, 9, 5. I know I'm moving fast, but I want the video to be shorter. When I was learning from those tutorials, I was just pausing the video where I wasn't understanding the vlogger, which in this case is me. So I'm just filling the obvious singles. So I guess the puzzle is done. And after this, I will just copy the results in Mr. New York. But I have to fill them, not copy, because you cannot copy. You just have to fill all the candidates. I memorize 6 candidates, I fill them. I can memorize more numbers at once. You see, it's very, very easy when you have the notes highlighted. Okay, so this is done. And how I'm doing now, I take this row and I say hard with loud voice 629738, and I fill it here 629738. I will put also the candidates, because you can you can also add not only from the memory but what's obvious. And I will go to row 2. It's 1 2 4 6 5, 1 2 4 6 5, and I will fill also what's obvious. This is a 4, a 2, an 8, 7. So you see how the process is far more easier like this. If you prefer it without highlighted notes, be my guest. But I found myself stuck to only the hard levels in Sudoku, and I wanted from myself to solve even more difficult, and I was able to do this only when I started to use this interface, Sudoku Coach. First, before of this, I found the Hodoku website. They don't have a mobile app. So which row? Row number 4. Which, don't look at my WhatsApp. 296378. 296378, and this is a 4. Okay, I think that's the puzzle. That's it. So 1 3 4 6 5 7 1 8 3 1 7 3 8 and 4. Yes, thank you guys. I hope you find this helpful.